guys, it's your librarian, Mrs. Main, and today is September the 29th. Now, it's National VW Day. VFW stands for Veterans of Foreign Wars. And these veterans come back to their community after they've done their service for the United States military, and they come and help their community. Not only do they show patriotism by supporting other military personnel, retired or still in service, by promoting the establishment of a national cemetery in Arlington and promoting GI Bill benefits such as educational opportunities for war veterans and also financial assistance. They also come back to their communities and they have volunteer support groups that help around their community. And so I drew a heart and hands together because with the VFW, with the community members, helps beautify the community, provide reading and educational resources, and just generally helps out. And so we, as a community of learners and as people of this community, should be helping the community through service. So remember, on September 29th, the VFW does community service, and we should also serve our community, not only by recognizing our veterans, but also by helping out around whenever you see people who may need assistance. Okay guys, have a great day. We'll see you guys later. Bye.